Welcome to Revisify. Today, we are diving into the world of precision cooking with the best Sous Vide cookers on the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, Sous Vide is the secret to perfectly cooked steaks, veggies, and more. Stay tuned as we explore the top picks for effortless, restaurant-quality meals at home. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Anova has become a household name in the world of home sous vide cooking, and their immersion cooker is a standout choice, offering exceptional temperature precision in a sleek, stick-style design that can easily be tucked away in a cabinet or drawer. Equipped with a versatile clamp, it securely attaches to a variety of containers. Whether a stockpot, large bowl, or plastic tub, allowing you to set up a complete sous vide station wherever you need it, this user-friendly device takes care of the hard work for you, automatically circulating water and maintaining the exact temperature and timing required to achieve perfect results. Picture this: you prep your meal in the morning by adding food, water, and ice to your container, and the Anova begins cooking at the ideal moment to ensure a perfectly timed dinner when you return. We also explored the Anova Precision Cooker Nano, a compact and sleek alternative. While it takes a little longer to reach the desired temperature, its heat control is equally impressive. With a simple design and a slightly lower price point, it's a fantastic option for anyone seeking precision and ease of use without breaking the bank. Pros: precise temperature control, manual, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi controls, can attach to any vessel, connects to smartphones via the app. Cons: bulky for its power. Number 2. Breville CS10001 Stainless Steel Dual Sous Vide. Pairing the Breville Dual Sous Vide with your Android or iOS device via the Dual app is essential for effortless control. If you're comfortable with the tech-savvy approach, this tool offers numerous advantages. The Dual stands out for its precision and accuracy, earning its place as one of the lightest immersion circulators we tested. Though it lacks physical buttons, the Dual features a sleek, minimalist design and operates quietly. Its innovative industrial-strength magnet ensures a secure attachment to most magnetic, steel-plated containers, accommodating up to 10 gallons of water. Additionally, its rapid performance keeps your food at the precise temperature you desire. For a unique culinary experience, you can sync the Dual with Amazon Alexa for convenient voice control. Its magnetic base and versatile clip make it easy to attach to nearly any container or saucepan. Despite its lightweight design, this Sous Vide machine is powered by 1100 watts, delivering impressive heating efficiency and speed. Key features: Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ready, works with Amazon Alexa, durable stainless steel cap and base, visual doneness, and chef-tested recipes. Number 3. Inkbird ISV 100W Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Delving into sous vide cooking often requires specialized equipment, but for those looking to explore the technique without a significant upfront cost, the Inkbird is a fantastic entry point. This immersion circulator-style device easily clips onto most containers and is capable of heating up to 4 gallons of water, even bringing it to a boil. Despite its compact size, the Inkbird delivers impressive performance with 1000 watts of power, maintaining temperature precision comparable to higher-end models. However, it's important to note that it takes a bit longer to reach the desired temperature, so planning ahead is essential for your cooking schedule. Setting up the Inkbird can be slightly more challenging than some other machines, requiring a little extra time to get acquainted with its functions. The digital display features physical buttons rather than a touchscreen, which are less sensitive compared to those on premium models. That said, considering its affordability and reliable performance, the Inkbird offers outstanding value for the price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious sous vide enthusiasts. Number 4. Instant Akku SSV 800 Slim Sous Vide Cooker. For beginners looking for a sleek, compact, and easy-to-use sous vide machine, the Instant Pot Akku Slim Sous Vide is a top choice. We particularly recommend it for its user-friendly design, making it the simplest option for those new to sous vide cooking. One standout feature is that it comes with 4 reusable silicone food-grade storage bags, which are microwave dash, freezer dash, and top-rack dishwasher safe. These bags are also airtight, BPA-free, latex-free, and lead-free, adding extra value to the package. The machine is also available for $99 if you prefer to buy just the Sous Vide device. Reviews rave about the easy-to-read touchscreen display and straightforward timer controls. cooking times range from 10 minutes to 72 hours, and the temperature adjusts from 104 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. While the Akku Slim lacks Bluetooth connectivity or a companion app, it excels in delivering hassle-free Sous Vide cooking. Over 81% of reviewers rate it 5 stars, praising its ability to produce perfect results. The included manual provides simple instructions and a detailed cooking guide, making it an excellent choice for those just starting out. Pros: waterproof, good range of time and temperature, straightforward. Cons: no Bluetooth or connectivity. Number 5. Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Cooker. The Greater Goods Precision Cooker stands out as an exceptionally user-friendly and budget-friendly option, with a large LCD screen that's easily readable from a distance. This Sous Vide machine offers both convenience and excellent value for the price. The large dial, which controls the cook time and temperature adjustments, rotates smoothly, allowing for effortless operation. Its efficient circulation ensures rapid heating and decent recovery times, while the durable large screw clamp makes it easy to attach to various containers, including tubs, Tupperware, and pots. The sleek design also adds to its appeal, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Although the Greater Goods may not offer the same level of temperature precision as some high-end models, the margin of error is minimal, staying under 1 degree. One minor drawback is that the unit must be running to set the time and temperature. But this does not affect the final cooking results. For those looking for a quiet, cost-effective Sous Vide machine, the Greater Goods Precision Cooker is an excellent choice. Key features: user-friendly interface, nice large dial, easy-to-read LCD screen, great circulation.